everyone. I'm Jitesh Kapoor, heading operations and training at AAFM India. I'm delighted to be here today as we gather insights from those who have experienced the Wealth Kraft module firsthand. At AFM India, our goal is to empower professionals with the right knowledge, skills, and insights to excel in the world of wealth management. The Wealth Craft module has been designed to provide practical learning, real world strategies, and industry relevant expertise to help individuals to take their financial careers to the next level. Today, we have Mr. Arya with us, who recently completed the module and will be hearing directly from him about his journey. I'll be asking few questions one by one to understand his experience, key takeaways, and any advice he may have for the future participants. Please let us know your complete name, your city, your background, your qualification, and more importantly, your work experience.
I am Arya M Karambelkar from Pune, Maharashtra. Last year I passed my BCom and actually I'm a student and this is SCWM is my first professional experience in my life.
So, Arya, what motivated you to enroll in the Wealth Craft module, and how would you describe your overall experience with the module?
So my overall experience was very good. Actually,
Okay.
when I registered for course, I had been informed that the Wealth Kraft session will begin in 2 to 3 months, and I had enrolled for that for practical experience. And from first session, the first session was the introductory session, and from second session onwards, when AFM started giving assignments,
Mhm.
I had a very good experience of assignments. I presented every assignment and it gave me a very practical experience. I learned many things in theory, but practical experience was very much different from that theoretical experience. And I improved my presentation skill. That is a very important thing. I had no
Okay.
I had no prior experience about presentation, so it improved my presentation skills.
So that's nice to hear. Glad that module was very helpful for you. Okay, so Arya, let me just tell you one thing. So why we ask, why we say that yes, we'll be starting the Wealth Craft module maybe in next 2 or 3 months, so that we want our candidates to go through a little bit of content for the CWM, because once you have a basic knowledge of these things in the wealth management, then only we plan to start the particular batch. Okay, the next question, can you highlight any specific activities from the module that you found particularly valuable or interesting?
So actually, I found various activities like retirement planning activities,
Mhm.
or we had very much knowledge about various investment products like PPF and mutual fund. So practicality, it was very important for me as a newcomer. I learned various new things because applying theory to practical is a very different thing and it is a very difficult thing also. So I learned practical things from this session and it was very important to me.
All right, so that's a valuable takeaway. I'm sure many aspiring participants will definitely relate to this. Okay, Arya, in what ways do you feel the module has helped you grow personally and professionally?
Sir, professionally, I will be able to explain things in a more detailed way to my future clients.
Okay.
I think so because we learn things in very practical way. So I will be able to explain things to them in a simple manner.
Okay,
Yes.
so Amra, you just mentioned about the presentation skills. So can you just have a brief insights on what ways while participating in this module has improved your communication and your presenting skills to the to any of your friends, colleagues, or any of your clients you have any? So how this module has helped you communicating with your friends, communicating with the family members on how to present your skills or how to present yourself in front of a client? Can you have a brief introduction to it?
Yes, sir. So first of all, sir, I had no prior experience of giving presentation. I am new to this field. So I was a little
Mhm.
bit hesitant for first time. My voice was shivering and in the first session, but afterwards I started to develop my skills gradually and I learned from previous mistakes. So how to improve. So after 3 to 4 session, I was good in giving presentations at such a small level.
So that's wonderful to hear. Okay, so have you seen any prompt improvements or shifts in your wealth management approach and in terms of presenting yourself to clients? Any shift? Have you noticed any changes in your improvements about it?
I had also many biases like many of investors. The Wealth Kraft session helped me to mitigate that biases. It helped improve my mentality regarding the investment, and
Okay.
I think many of people in our society have such biases, so I can help them overcome such biases, and it will help them reduce their mistakes.
Okay. Wonderful. Okay, so last not the least, any advice you would like to give someone considering enrolling in the Wealth Craft module? Any advice or suggestions you would like to give?
Suggestions for those who are joining the batch, that you should attend till the last session because it is a very valuable experience. Don't live in the middle of the sessions. I will
Okay,
give this advice. It is a very good experience, very good practical experience, and
okay.
I think
So,
all of them should prepare presentation and present in front of all of the people, so it will give them a good experience.
so thank you, Arya, for sharing your valuable insights and experience. It's truly inspiring to hear how the Wealth Craft module has contributed into your personal life and also it will contribute into your professional life also. Have a great career ahead. Thank you for joining this session. Definitely, after listening to you, a lot many students are will also be encouraged to take this particular session and module.